In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic to your Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher designing a quiz, organizing an event, or collecting feedback, knowing how to make your forms more interactive and responsive can greatly enhance the experience for those filling them out. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up effortlessly in just a few simple steps. To begin, navigate to Google Forms and open the form you want to edit. If you haven't created a form yet, that's fine too. Just start a new one by selecting a template or from scratch. This flexibility is one of the strengths of Google Forms, making it an excellent choice for creating detailed surveys. Once your form is open, you'll want to select the question to which you'd like to add branching logic. This conditional logic is essential, particularly when you want participants to skip irrelevant questions based on their responses. Not only does this make the form less daunting, but it also ensures you collect more accurate data relevant to each respondent. Next, click on the 3 vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the question box. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, giving you several options to fine-tune your form. The option we're interested in is titled Go to Section Based on Answer. Selecting this will allow you to determine what happens next after a user answers that particular question. If your form isn't already divided into sections, now's the time to do it. Adding sections is straightforward. Click on the Add Section button, which looks like 2 rectangles stacked on top of each other, usually found to the right of the question area. Sections are vital because they allow you to direct different respondents to various parts of your form, keeping everything organized and clear. With your sections set up, return to your original question. For each possible answer, specify which section the respondent should be directed to next under the Go To Section Based on Answer option. This condition will guide the flow of your form, leading users only to those sections relevant to them. Lastly, don't forget to preview your form before sharing it. By clicking the eye icon at the top right of the screen, you can test the conditional logic you've set up. Make sure each answer leads to the intended sections and that the form behaves as expected. This step is crucial, as it helps identify any potential issues before the form goes live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can add powerful conditional logic to your Google Forms, making them dynamically respond to the needs of your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more efficient and user-friendly forms. Happy form creating!